and I would like to speak with you just for a few minutes about a meeting we have planned for this September 19, 20, and 21. That's a Thursday, Friday, and Saturday here in Atlanta, concluding Saturday at noon, having to do with clear aligners. And we have titled that meeting, Lee?
Essentials and Beyond.
And how did we decide on that particular title, Lee?
Well, I think there's two components that everyone wants to know when providing treatment. The essentials is, do I know what I'm doing? I mean, can I accurately diagnose a case, and can I predict the results of the treatment that I offer? And for Beyond is, not only do I know how to do it, but how can I incorporate it into my office so it's efficient and profitable?
Yeah, and I think part of the Beyond as well when it comes to any gnathosce meeting is all of the potential problem solving. I get tired when I hear people talking about orthodontic treatment, whether it's fixed appliances or clear aligners, and the person presenting the information is trying to convince the audience that they've never had a treatment problem or a lack of treatment response in the case. That's something we're going to cover in detail, aren't we, Lee?
Absolutely. There's always something that pops up no matter what kind of treatment you're providing. And as long as you have the knowledge on how to go to plan B when plan A doesn't work, you're always good.
This is limited attendance. Join me and Lee Boyd for a remarkable learning experience using clear aligners.